Informal letter. Imagine you are Soham Sohini Durgan residing at 208, Swarnadam, Hira Colony, Mumbai 400052. Write a letter to your friend Neha Nishant describing the advantages of sports and games. Read the following snippet and write a letter based on it. Sports and games are activities which make a person more capable with a high level of efficiency. It removes the mental exhaustion and makes us capable to do any hard work. It improves blood circulation all through the body. Thus improves the physical and mental well-being of the person. Solution. Date: 24th August, 2024. Soham Durgan 208. Swarnadam, Hira Colony, Mumbai 400052. Dear Neha, I hope you are doing well and enjoying life to the fullest. I have been thinking a lot about how we spend our free time and wanted to share some thoughts on something I believe is really beneficial for us: sports and games. You know, engaging in sports and games is not just about having fun. It is actually a powerful way to boost our efficiency and capability in almost every aspect of life. When we play, we are not just moving our bodies, we are also clearing our minds of exhaustion. Participating in sports has another significant benefit. It improves our physical health by enhancing blood circulation throughout our body. This is not just about being fit, it is about maintaining a state of well-being that positively affects our mental health too. But beyond the physical and mental benefits, sports teach us important life skills. The teamwork, discipline, and perseverance required in sports are directly applicable to our personal and professional lives. It's about learning to set goals, work towards them, and deal with both successes and setbacks gracefully. I really think you should consider making sports a part of your routine, too. It does not have to be anything intense or time-consuming. Even casual, fun games or a regular brisk walk can make a big difference. Take care and stay active. Your friend.